Hello everyone. Today we are starting with the third video, that is of combinations. Till now in the first video we saw the basic difference between permutation and combination. In the second video we have learned about the permutations. Now the third video is the combinations. Right? So let's start with the combinations today. So now what exactly is combination? As we have seen in the first video, if if you have to pick two letters out of A, B, C, you can choose either A, B, B, C or C, A, right? And their position does not matter. Means if you are picking AB or BA, both are the same thing. You are picking two people, and we have seen the example of a truck. Means you are just putting two people in the truck. Means A and B. Does not matter if one is sitting in the front, one is sitting in the back. You are just putting two people in the truck. So here we have seen that AB and BA are the same thing. AC and BC, right? And we have also seen NCR means n factorial divided by r factorial divided by n minus r. So this is what we have learned in the last videos. Now let's see what we new have in the case of combinations. Now, number of combination when there are n objects means A, B, C are given to you. You have to choose two means n is given to you 3. You have to pick two means you have to pick two people. So no repetition is allowed. Means suppose first person you have to pick is A. The second person you can pick is either B or C. You cannot again pick A. There is no repetition allowed. Means you cannot pick first person as B and second person as B. These are not allowed. If repetition is not allowed, then the number of combinations or number of ways of picking three people when their sitting order does not matter is NCR. This means N R N minus R. I hope this is clear. N R N minus R. Now moving on. How many four-letter word you can make out of Shimla? Shimla. You have to make four-letter word. So how many letters you have? You have total 6 letters. How many words you can use? 4 letters. So what words you can make is you can make like words like SMLI simile. So this is a right word, right? So repetition is not allowed means you cannot make a letter like first word is S, second word is S, then third word is M or A, because only one S is given to you, one S is there, you cannot repeat the same letter. So when repetition is not allowed, then you have 6 C4 means 6, 4, 6 minus 4. So you can weigh how many letters you can form using the letters of word Shimla, right? Moving on. If repetition is allowed to you, suppose A, B, C is given to you, AB, AB, then AC and BC is fine. AA is also one of the case. BB is also allowed. CC is also allowed. So when such repetition is allowed of the letters, so then our formula is n plus r minus 1 CR. That's the difference. Very frequently used. I would say that is rarely used, but you have to know that if repetition of the letters are allowed, then the formula is n plus r minus 1 CR. Right? Now, if you see, you have to make a four-letter word out of word Simla. So n is 6, r is 4. Again, I have told you that repetition is allowed. So n plus r minus 1 CR. So 6 plus 4, 10. So 9 CR is 4. So this is the number of ways you can form the four-letter word when repetition is allowed. I hope this is clear. Combination. Now, John has 4 courses. He has 4 courses, right? Suppose let's say 4 courses are English, Hindi, Math, and say Social Studies. Now he is attending in college. So the college is given them option. He has to pick at least one course. He has to pick at least one course. Means he can choose one course. If he wants to pick more courses by his own choice, that is okay. We don't care. But you have to pick at least one course, one or more courses. So, one thing is very much important. He has to pick one course out of four. So, 4, 1, 3. So, 4 cases. So, he has to pick one course out of 4. That is important. He can do two courses as well. Means 4C2 is also allowed to him. He can pick one course or he can pick two courses, his choice. He can pick three courses, his choice. He can pick all four courses, his choice. We don't care. But he has to pick one case. So 4C4 is again 4, 4C4, 4, 1. So that is one case. 4C3 is 4, 3, 1. So that is 4 cases. 4C2 is 4, 2, 2. That is 4 into 3 gets 2 to 6 cases. So is 6. So how many ways he can pick the courses? He can choose one course. So that is 4 ways are possible. He can choose two courses. So 6 ways are possible. He can choose three courses. 4 ways are possible. He can choose for all the four courses. That is one way possible. So again, 4 ways are possible. He can attend the college in 6 ways. He can attend the college 4 ways. He can attend the college one way. When we have there are a lot of different ways, and he can choose any of the route. So that means there is an addition sign. There is no compulsion that he has to choose one course and then he can choose two courses and then he can choose three courses. Then the multiplication principle would have come in play. So he can do any of this case, 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is 15 ways. So there are 15 ways for him to attend the college, right? 15 ways. So that is the answer, right? Now, there is easy formula for you. If 4C4 plus 4C3 plus 4C2 plus 4C1 is given to you, you can simply do 2 raised to power n minus 1 or 2 raised to power 4 minus 1, that is 15. Simple, easier way to solve such an equation. You can either do all the summation or you can simply do 2 raised to power n minus 1. This is just additional information for you if you want to follow. Otherwise, this is also okay. So here, John had an option of choosing 4 subjects, right? He can either choose one subject, he can either choose two subjects, he can either choose three subjects, he can either choose four subjects. His choice. But he has to choose at least one. Now moving on. Dictionary rank. Not seen this type of question in previous year question, but still, in my understanding from the CAT perspective as well, a quite interesting topic and important to know of, right? So now let's see. I hope you have seen a dictionary. Dictionary looks like, if suppose the first start, it will start with A letter. Suppose A. This is the first letter in the dictionary. Then the second letter would be AS. Third letter would be S. Once all the A's are done, it will move to ABM, ABT, ABZ. Then once all the ABs are done, then so on, right? So here dictionary rank means, suppose I have letter MOHIT. So for if I have to make 5-letter word, 5-letter word. So in the dictionary, so if I arrange it in the ascending order, I have GHI. So first is H, then I, then what? HIMTMNOT. So this is how the alphabetically these letters are. Means if such a letter exists in dictionary, Himoth. Himoth will be the first letter. Then the other letter would be HIMO. After that OTO. The third letter will be HI. Then M. Once M are done, then you have O first, M and T, and so on. So there is always a dictionary rank of the letters. Dictionary rank means first the first letter is the highest, means alphabetically it's in a ascending order, means it's the start. Then the second letter is in the after that, third letter and so on, right? So Himoth will come first and Mohit will come after. Why? Because first letter is H, first letter is M. So Himoth will be first in the dictionary. Then all the letters will I will come in. Then M will start. Right. So what will be the rank of word Mohit if all the letters are used? So first H will be fixed here. Then so all the letters using I, M, O, T will be used. Right. So first H will be fixed. I, M, O, T are used. Right. So here, what do we have? Uh, if we see here, if we see here, H is fixed. I, M, O, T are the letters, right? So I am using I, M, O, T. What all? How many letters I can make? Factorial 4. This is what we have learned, right? H is fixed. I, M, O, T is already all the letters I can use. So H, M, H, I, M, O, T, H, I, M, T, O, H, I, O, T, M. So 4 factorial is the words I can use. Now comes in then after that I starts. If I is there, then you have H, M, O, T. So still Mohit, for M we have to first go all the letters of H, all the letters of I, then Mohit will come. So I, H, M, O, T. So here I have 4 factorial again. Now let's see Mohit. In Mohit, if we are talking about Mohit, if we are talking about Mohit, till now, how many letters we have? 4 factorial, 4 factorials. Words are already before Mohit. Now in Mohit, again I am writing H I M O T, right? So if now M comes in, M is fixed. Now M O, M O will come after. M O will come after. First H will come. So all the letters with MH in the start. So I have 3. What all are 3 are left? That is M, H, I, O, T. So M and H are now fixed. M and H are now fixed. M and H are now fixed at the start. So I have these 3 letters to arrange. So 3 factorial. Now MH is done. Now I will move on to what? I will move on to M, H, M, I, because M after H, after that I have I. So Mi is done. So how many letters I can fill in here? M, oh no, not M, HOT. So whatever the letters I can use here, so I can use HOT. So that is 3 factorial here. Then now MH is done, Mi is done. What is the next term? MO. Now Mohit is coming. Now if MO is gone, first after that MO, what will come? H will come, then I will come, then T will come. So there is only first way, one way, right? So the rank will be 4 factorial because of H, 4 factorial because of I, 3 factorial because of MH, 3 factorial because of MI, and 1 case because of MOHIT. So that is total rank of the word. I hope this is clear. Again, I want to put in that such question have not been seen in the previous year question, but still since when we do the CAT preparation, this is a topic which we normally learn, and I hope these such questions could come in the exam. So I have just put in a dictionary rank question as well, right? So you just have to you just have to understand that words are arranged in the ascending order in a dictionary, first thing. Second, you will start with the lowest letter H, then move to I, and then we reached M. But to reach Mo, we have to first MH, then MI, then only I could reach Mo. Once I reached Mo, I saw that MO, HIT is the first word if I arrange them in the ascending order. So this is how we learn about the dictionary rank. Here I will put in a question for practice. Question for practice. Why? If you want to do, you can use the modesty is the word. You can find the rank of the modesty if all the letters of the words are used. Again, this question is not important because I have not seen a similar question when you come to PYQs. But still, a topic you have to learn. Why? Because since, as everyone says, that CSAT is moving to the CAT level, since it is being taught in CAT exam for the CAT preparation, I think it is very important for you to know what the dictionary rank exactly means, right? So this is just a practice question. Dictionary rank is also done, and if you see today we have learnt about NCR means number of combination when the sitting arrangement does not matter. Does not matter. You just have to pick three people out of two. Oh, sorry, two people out of three. And this is what we have learnt. Just a quick review of all the slides. I'm just moving back. Here we have learned the basic again combination and repetition and non-repetition means you are allowed to repeat the letters, you are not allowed to repeat the letters. And after that, this is a case when John was attending college. One way is he picked only English. Another way is he could pick only Hindi. Another way is he could pick only math or only SS, social studies. This is another way. Fifth way is he chose English and Hindi. Another way is he chose Hindi and math. Means two subjects. Then the another way is he choose three subjects. Another way is he choose four subjects. So that is where this formula comes in 2 raised to power n minus 1. Dictionary rank, as I've already told you, not important as per the PYQs, but if you understand the term, very likely this question, such question could come in the exam, and that completes our combination as well. In the next video, we are going to see the previous year questions of permutation and combination, and that will complete our permutation combination, and after that we are going to more other topics, that is probability, age, relationship, etc. So that's all for this video. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please feel free to post them in the comments. Thank you and best of luck for your preparation.